Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I thank all of you for the warm welcome you all have given me today in the Congress family. With your welcome, my family has always been a Congress family. My dad, from the time Mr. Falero has contested, was a strong supporter. With that, my full family was supporting Congress right from the beginning. I had to cross swords with Falero for the 2017 elections. And when I lost, I decided I'll never again contest elections. But in spite of that, I continued my good work in the constituency, doing all that I could do. And when people started seeing that I'm really working hard for them, they kept on insisting, why don't you give a last try? And that too, why not on a Congress ticket? Then I thought of it, since people are after me, my supporters were after me, I said, okay, let me give it a try.
अत्यंत बरी गजाल काँग्रेसच्या दृष्टींतल्यान घडटा. लोक कितेंय म्हणू पण सत्य परिस्थिती आसा की काँग्रेसींत भितर सरपी लोकांची संख्या, लिडर्साची संख्या वाडत आसा. आनी म्हणून आज आवेर्तना सारको भुरगो हे डिसिजन घेवपाक इमिजिएटली शकलो. काही दिसा पयलीं, काही म्हयन्या पयलीं ताजे लोकय ताजेर प्रेशर घालताले, तो सांगतलो तुमकां. पूण तो डिसिजन घेवपाक मातसो रावतालो. पूण आज ताणें काल जेन्ना इन्सिडेंट घडलो ताणें रोखडेंच डिसिजन घेतलें आनी म्हाका आनंद जाता की आज तो काँग्रेसीचे भितर आयलो. हांव काँग्रेसच्या वतीन ताजें स्वागतय करतां.
पूण आयज एक बरी गोश्ट घडल्याक काल आमी म्हणलें की आमचो एक सिनियर लिडर आपल्या स्वताच्या स्वार्था खातीर गोंयच्या लोकांक विकून एक ऐन त्या वेळार एक विश्वासघात करून असो गेला. आनीक कालच्यान नाविली मुक्त जाली. म्हणजे कितलेशेच तरणाटे जे लिडरशीप करपाक पळयताले नाविलींतल्यान तांकां संदी मेळनाशिल्ली, ते सदांच दाबून उरताले.